to the channel. So for this one today we're going to be creating cornflake Easter cakes. So this is essentially chocolate cornflakes with a few Easter eggs in. With a few chocolate eggs. So essentially it's going to be fun for the kids, easy to do, especially with the kids being on half term as well. It's fun to kind of do any time of the year anyway, but because it's Easter it's a nice little kind of baskety thing, kind of resembles a bird's nest essentially. So please do stick around, watch the video and let me know how you get on. So currently at the moment I'm creating a bain-marie. So what that essentially is a pan of kind of simmering water. At the moment it is kind of heating up. Just make sure that your bowl's not touching the water because then that'll burn the chocolate. And I've got myself here some dark cooking chocolate. I couldn't pick up any milk. If you are going to do this, you can use milk, you can use dark, it's totally up to you. But I'm just going to get my chocolate broken up into squares so it's easier to melt. Also with your bowl as well, please make sure that there's not any water in there because that can cause the chocolate to seize and you don't want your chocolate to seize. So I will come back to you guys once my chocolate's added in and I'll show you the next step. Adding the chocolate in. Woo! It's important at this kind of stage to stir it, so don't mind me just kind of tilting it with my hands, but at this point I have stirred it. So yeah, I'm just kind of waiting for the rest to melt and then it'll be a case of we can put our lovely cornflakes in them. So while I was doing that I was getting some pretty cupcake cases ready. I've got 24 in total. Hopefully that will be enough. If not, I'll just have to make extra large kind of cakes or have some spare. So I'm just going to add probably, I don't know, like half this box, which is about 250. Probably a bit more than that, or probably a bit less, I don't know. But our chocolate's done. So I'm just going to take the bowl off. Just be careful when you're doing this. You don't want to burn yourself. Grab myself a tea towel. Just got my nicely melted chocolate over here. The good thing is if we add 2 little cornflakes we can always add 2, which is good. So just seeing how hot this bowl is. Right, trying to figure out a way to grab it and not stain my tea towel. So let's try and scrape all the chocolate out. Remember to kind of scrape it off your spatula. Cool. Put that in the sink. Lovely, barely any on the tea towel. And we're going to give this a mix in. Now depending on what you like, can kind of depend how covered you want your cornflakes to be. So hopefully once I get this mixed in they should all be fairly kind of coated, I should say. So I'm going to give this a mix and I'll come back to you guys in a couple of minutes just to show you how I'm getting on. So as you can see there's quite a lot of chocolate still kind of hanging on those cornflakes. So this is where we kind of add it a little bit by a little bit now. So yeah, you kind of want them just covered. Well, this is how I do it anyway. So yeah, kind of keep mixing until they are coated at least. And yeah, I'll come back to you guys once that is done. So now that is all mixed together, ta-da, we're gonna pop it in our tins. Excuse me. Ignore that, I'm just cooking dinner at the same time. So we're just gonna slowly kind of fill our cases. Gonna go a spoon at a time, just so we know what we're working with. And then it'll be a case of you'll come back and top up once you need to, essentially, once you've filled all of them. So I will come back to you once that is done. So that is the crispy cake base is done. I managed to get 24. I've literally had to top them right up to the top, which is good. So I'm literally going to go around and add a single egg in each first of all. See how we get on with that. Hopefully I have enough to do at least one in each. Might be pushing it. Okay. This bag looks fuller. Hopefully it is. Then we'll try and put different colours on. Go with red, orange. Oh, we have a purple. Pink on that one. Red. That one. Blue on that one. Red on that one. I think I might run out. I hope I don't, but God damn it. Where did you go? I'll find you in a bit. But anyway, I'm going to carry on. Yeah, I'm definitely going to run out. That's annoying. Oh, I'm fall short, but hey ho. I was 3 short, but I've lost one. Oh well. Yeah, that's pretty much it. All it'll be a case of is sticking them in the fridge to set, and then they're pretty much yours then, essentially. So if you like this one, all you lovely people, please give it a thumbs up. Give it a subscribe if you do want to see more of my content, and I will see all you lovely people in my next episode. So see you later.